Welcome, today I am with Redmi 9AT and I will show you how Face Unlock works in the smartphone. So I'm going to make a few tries and let's see how the Face Unlock performs in the smartphone. So as you can see, it works every time. It can recognize our face every time. That's a good point, but it's not fast. I think that better way will be to unlock your phone with fingerprint sensor. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.